Hi guys, this is Jen here from the teen department, and today we're going to be making DIY Christmas ornaments. So what I have here is an ornament, some white acrylic paint, got some glitter, a hot glue gun, and these little cupcake holders. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to kind of remove this top here, and then once I've got that, here, let me see if I can get some glitter. There we go. And I'm just going to start pouring in some glitter in there. Hang on. May not be full. Okay, let's try again. There we go. So just want to try to get it filled up close to the top, or in the middle, however you prefer, or however much glitter you have. Okay, let me see. Okay, just add a little, oops. That's okay, messes happen. Glitter is messy. Okay. Add a little bit more. Sometimes you have to be a little patient with the glitter. But consistency is key. And I'd say that's about enough. So let me go ahead and get the outside glitter off as much as I can. Then you put this top back on. All right. So now that I've got that out of the way, I'm just gonna grab me some paint. Then I'm just gonna kind of swirl it around at the top like icing. Okay, see if you can see that. And then what I went ahead and did before was I used this black Sharpie to kind of draw the eyes and the mouth, and I gave it little eyelashes. And then, if you want to, and this is totally optional, you can either use like some of these Sharpies or some more of these paint, which I have here, to kind of add on little sprinkles. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of paint. And acrylic paint dries really fast, so that's a plus. So let me go ahead and just kind of draw in the sprinkles. Okay, almost done. Okay, and then, see, once I've got that done, I'm gonna use my hot glue gun, and it's still pretty hot, and I'm just gonna kind of put some in the center, like that. Just around the edges so where you can fit the ornament. And there you go. Ta-da! This is my DIY cupcake ornament. Oops, here. There we go. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!